Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. We just got some massive news from the SEC stating that they have just approved 12 different cryptocurrencies. And so we're going to be talking about those in this video, when to expect those ETFs to be going live, and I think the market will react very well to this. So we have Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, right? We have massive inflows coming in from institutions on both of those. Bitcoin currently at $116,000. We just had the Fed cut rates, which will continue, which is also going to be very bullish for the cryptocurrency markets. And so let's go ahead and jump right into it here. Let's take a look at this post here stating that the SEC has approved generic listing standards for commodity-based trust shares, including crypto ETPs. This is crypto ETP framework that we have been waiting for. Get ready for the wave of spot crypto ETP launches in coming weeks and months. And so this is going to be coming here very soon. I'm going to be explaining why that is and what the dates could be looking for XRP ETFs, a Cardano ETF. And so this is absolutely massive. If you enjoy this content, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And there's also links underneath the video if you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the SEC filing here. What does this mean? And so we can see right here, on an initial and continuing basis, the commodity underlies a future contract that has been made available to trade on designated contract market, a DCM, for at least 6 months, provided that the exchange has a comprehensive surveillance sharing agreement, whether directly or through common membership in ISG. And so Coinbase has a filing from the CFTC here stating that they are a designated contract market. And so Coinbase Derivatives is the exchange that has approval. And then what we're going to be taking a look at what tokens have been listed for 6 months on Coinbase Derivatives Exchange. These are going to be the tokens that get approval for an ETF. And so before we do that, I'd like to take a look at the overall market here for altcoins. We can see this has been continuing to consolidate. This is a very bullish pattern in my opinion. We're currently at a $1.7 trillion market cap. We can see back in 2018 here, this was the peak. Then this ended up turning into support. If we continue to extend that, we can see we ended up breaking above that. And then we had a new all-time high. And so right now we're at the previous peak back in 2021. Now once we do break above that, I do expect the market cap for altcoins to explode. This is definitely something to be paying attention to. And so if we go back to the Coinbase Derivatives Exchange here, we can see all of the different coins that are listed. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, Chainlink, Stellar, Hedera. And so, depending on when these have been listed on the Derivatives Exchange, they have to have 6 months of time on the Derivatives Exchange to be converted from an ETP to an ETF. And so if we go ahead and take a look at this document right here, it does break this down. It shows when these were listed. And so there's a lot of different applications out there for ETFs. We can see XRP here has 15 different applications. Solana has 17 applications out there, right? There's a ton of ETF applications for cryptocurrencies. And so we are soon going to see all of these ETFs here go live. On each one of these tokens right here, we have Dogecoin, we have Bitcoin Cash, we have Litecoin, we have Chainlink, we have Stellar, we have Avalanche, Shiba Inu, DOT, Solana, HBAR, XRP, and Cardano. And so depending on when these started trading, it's 6 months from that date. And so we can see Dogecoin is available to start trading as an ETF. We have Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink, XOM, Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Polkadot, Solana, HBAR, and then we have XRP and Cardano here. And so XRP, based on this document right here, says September 20th, this could become eligible to become an XRP ETF. And then we have Cardano here at the 1st of October. And so that is coming very soon. However, I believe the date they have here for XRP at 320, I believe this started trading here on April 21st. And so this was posted April 3rd, 2025 by Coinbase Institutional that the contract is going live on April 21st. And so 6 months from this date is when we could see an XRP ETF. This is definitely something to be paying attention to. I think this will be very bullish for the cryptocurrency markets. People will start to realize the upside potential for altcoins, which will make altcoins start to gain a lot of traction. Whether they have ETF applications out there or not, people are going to start recognizing that altcoins move very quickly, and we are going to see a massive move in the altcoin market. And so if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button, and I hope to see you on the next one.